nakatakda siyang umalis kasi sinabi nga ng kampo ng dating Pangulo na siya ay nakatakdang umalis for health reasons. Ngunit nagsalita daw itong si Dr. Cervantes at sinabing hindi naman daw urgent ang pangangailangan ng medical care ng dating Pangulo sa ibang bansa.
So sa ngayon, habang hinihintay pa si Dr. Cervantes, napag-usapan na ng Senate Impeachment Court ang isang request for subpoena or invitation na inisu ng prosekusyon ukol kay Justice Sereno sa pagpunta sa Senate Impeachment Court at isang manifestation with motion for clarification ukol naman doon sa testimonya na binigay ni Enrique Javier, Vice President of Sales ng Philippine Airlines. At sa dalawang motion na ito, doon sa request for subpoena or invitation, may kita natin na tila nasabi ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile that you're passing the buck on the Senate Impeachment Court when they haven't, the prosecution hasn't tried even to invite Justice Sereno. At dun sa ikalawang motion for clarification, sinabi lang din ni Senator Enrile yung firm decision nila na wala naman sa aligasyon yung ill motive, partiality, or bribery. Kaya hindi dapat mapasok sa bilang testimonya ang itong sinabi ni Vice President ng Sales ng PAL na si Enrique Javier. At
Gio, kasama muli natin ang ating mga panelists, of course, si Attorney JJ at syempre ang batang profesor, Carl sa tinitigan. Attorney JJ, kanina ay medyo tila na pagalitan na naman itong prosekusyon ng ilan sa mga senator judges at paulit-ulit na tinanong ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile kung ano nga yung magiging senaryo kung sakasakaling ipatawag, isubpina ng Senado itong si Justice Sereno at ito ay tumanggi. Ano nga ba ang maaaring mangyari?
Napaka-delikado kasi nitong posisyon na ito, no? Although alam natin ang impeachment court ay maaaring magpatawag ng kahit sino pa mang tao, maaaring magkaroon kasi ng impasse dito. Paano nga kung ayaw naman pala ng tumestigo ng mahistradong ito? Magkakaroon ngayon ng friction between the Senate Impeachment Court and Supreme Court na malaking bagay na dapat nating iwasan. Dahil kung hindi pwedeng magkagulo maaari nga bang pilitin ngayon ng Senado ang isang mahistrado ng Supreme Court na umaten? Paano nga kung ayaw niya? Yun yung iniiwasan, I suppose, ng Senate Impeachment Court. Unless, of course, voluntary on the part of Justice Sereno ito. Na tingin ko ay hindi niya gagawin dahil alam niyang maaaring mag-ibang paningin ng tao sa last bastion of justice natin.
Carl, sa pananaw ba ng taong bayan, tingin mo na iniimbitahan ng prosekusyon ng isang collision course, ika nga ni Senator Miriam, between the Senate Impeachment Court at ang Supreme Court?
Sa tingin ko po, sa mga natanong ko pong mga member ng, kunwari po, mga simpleng mamamayan natin, kunwari nagtitinda ng putas or titinda ng sa karinderya, sa kanila po, hindi po nila pinapansin yung mga ganitong collision course. Parang, like may nakausap po ako sa tingin niya, parang at the end of the day, gusto lang nilang malaman kung karapat dapat si Chief Justice Corona na manatiling Chief Justice. So, hindi pa masyadong kalat or naiintindihan ng buong bayan kung kailan magaganap ito, ano ba yung constitutional crisis, ano yung sa tingin nila ang epekto sa taong bayan kung collision course nga.
Aha.
Carla, kanina rin ay nagalit itong si Senadora Santiago tungkol naman dito sa isang survey na isinasagawa ng mga UP students. I think it's the UP Student Council patungkol dito dun sa matters pertaining to the trial. Sa tingin mo ba, okay lang bang mag-conduct ng mga survey ang mga mamamayan sa kanilang, kunwari, sa mga eskwelahan or sa kanilang mga organisasyon?
Sa tingin ko po okay lang, para right po ng mga estudyante na sagawa ng isang survey para malaman kung ano yung opinion ng mga estudyante. Marami naman po nagsasurvey po ngayon. Marami naman po tayo ngayon. Humihingi tayo ng opinion mula sa isa't isa. Siguro nababahala lang si Senator Miriam kasi mga estudyante ito ng UP kung saan siya galing. At sa tingin niya baka makapag-sway ito ng iba't iba pang public opinion dahil nga mga, sabi niya, educated students ito. Pero sa tingin ko okay lang dapat po ito and we take it with a grain of salt kung ano man yung resulta ng survey.
Salamat, Carl. Puntahan natin ang press briefing ng Defense.
Consideration. So siguro iwanan na natin yung Article 3 na yon dahil tapos na sila magpresenta. Ang importante harapin natin yung Article 7.
Yun, magbibigay siya ng kanyang sub judice privilege speech assuming na sumobra ng prosecution. So ano pong masasabi niyo doon?
Well, siguro lahat na ito ginagawa ng mga senator judges upang maging maayos, upang magkaroon ng talagang maganda at maayos na direksyon.
At puntahan po natin ang Senate floor. Nagpapatuloy na po ang paglilitis. Katarungan para sa Bayan, Day 24.
Trial resume. Is the witness here? Yes, please swear in the witness, Madam Chair.
Madam Witness, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding? So help you God.
Counsel for the prosecution, proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can you please take your seat? You may please take your seat, Madam Witness.
Thank you, sir.
Magandang hapon po, Dr. Cervantes.
Magandang hapon rin ho, Attorney Lim, and magandang hapon ho sa inyong lahat.
Kindly state, ma'am, your full name, your address, and your occupation.
Ako po si Dr. Juliet Gopez Cervantes. Ako po ay nakatira sa 9th Street, Rolling Hills, New Manila, Quezon City. At ako po ay isang manggagamot.
Your Honor, please, we are presenting the witness, Dr. Juliet Gopez Cervantes, as our own witness, but only as an ordinary witness. We are respectfully offering her testimony for the purpose of proving that she issued a medical certificate dated October 1, 2011, relative to the health condition of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
What date is that?
October 1, 2011, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, as records show, we would like to manifest that this medical certificate was submitted to the Supreme Court as Annex I to the petition for TRO in GR number 199034 filed by the former President. May I proceed, Your Honor?
Proceed.
Dr. Cervantes, did you receive a subpoena in relation to this hearing?
Yes, sir.
And is that the reason why you are here?
Opo.
Do you know former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo?
Yes, sir.
Why do you know her, ma'am?
Ako po ay siyang pinaka-main attending physician ng former President every time he went to St. Luke's Medical Center from Quezon City and lately in Global. And I was the main attending from 2006 to December 2011. So for 5 years, I've been the main attending physician of the former President.
Can you kindly explain what exactly you do or you have done as main attending physician for the former President? What exactly do you mean by that, ma'am?
Sir, I am a gastroenterologist and a hepatologist, meaning I specialize in the gastrointestinal tract and most especially in the liver. In 2006, the former President developed diarrhea, and the family decided that she be brought to St. Luke's Medical Center in Quezon City. So being the main attending of the former gentleman, Mike Arroyo, and her problem was in gastroenterology, she was referred to me to attend to her diarrhea. And from then on, even there were occasions that the problem was no longer in gastroenterology, neither in the liver, because I started as her main physician whether it is in gastroenterology or other problems, it was decided that I will be the main attending doctor. That if there are occasions or there were occasions that the problem is no longer in my field of specialty, then I refer to the different subspecialties depending on what the problem was. So as the main attending, I chose, I evaluate the case, I evaluate the problem, and if I saw the need that it is beyond my specialty as gastroenterologist or a hepatologist, I refer the problem to the different subspecialties and then decide as whom to refer the problem and ultimately summarize everything and then come up with a decision, whatever it is, whether in the diagnosis or in the management.
Madam Witness, do you recall having attended to the former President, Honorable Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, in the month of July 2009, August 2009, and also in September 2009? I'm sorry, 2011, July of 2011, August of 2011, and September of 2011. My apologies, Doctora.
It was, yes, sir.
For what ailments?
Okay. Mainly for the problem in the neck.
Yes, ma'am.
She was admitted because of the severe neck pains.
Can you please state for the record the dates of confinement of the former President?
If Your Honor, please, at this juncture, may we place this observation on record, Your Honor. There is a categorical statement on the part of the prosecutor that the Madam Witness, Your Honor, is being presented as an ordinary witness. We notice, however, that practically from the start, she is testifying along medical lines, Your Honor. We would like to know how...
She's being presented as a doctor and as an ordinary witness testifying on general medical matters. So let her answer.
Can you kindly answer the question, ma'am? I just would like to request you to state for the record the dates of confinement or hospitalization of the former President in 2011. Specifically, July 2011, August 2011, and also September 2011.
She was admitted July 25, 2011.